Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for building in Fortnite PC. We will cover essential configurations to give you a competitive edge. Understanding these adjustments can dramatically improve your building speed and precision. Our goal is to minimize input delay and maximize your frame rate, ensuring every build is placed exactly when and where you intend it. Get ready to elevate your gameplay. Next, let's talk about your keybinds and mouse setup. Having unique keys for walls, floors, stairs, and cones is vital for rapid construction. For your mouse, a lower sensitivity setting, around 0.08, offers superior precision for both aiming and building. Pair this with a lightweight mouse, ideally under 80 grams, to reduce fatigue during long play sessions and enable quicker, more accurate movements. Now, let's optimize your performance and visuals. Switching to performance mode in your game settings is paramount for achieving maximum frame rates, which is critical for building. Ensure your display resolution is set to 1920 by 1080 for crisp, clear visuals without sacrificing performance. Furthermore, a monitor with a refresh rate of 144 Hz or higher will provide incredibly smooth gameplay, making every build feel more responsive. Finally, let's look at some advanced building options. Enabling Confirm Edit on release is a game changer, allowing you to edit much faster by confirming your edit as soon as you release the mouse button. Also, make sure to disable the pre-edit option to avoid accidentally pre-selecting building pieces, which can disrupt your flow. Consistent practice in creative mode, focusing on these settings, will solidify your muscle memory and elevate your building skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.